what is price behavior? Let me ask you all the question. What is price behavior? The term is the behavior of the price, or how the price is moving. Either it is going down or going up, and why it is going up. It moves in a specific way. This behavior is because it is based upon the perception of the traders. So what you're trying to find out is the perception of the traders. If traders perceive that there is value, therefore they're going to start to buy. If they perceive that there is no value, they are going to start selling. Now, you have to ask yourself, where are they going to buy, or where do they perceive value? Where do they perceive that the market now is going to appreciate and therefore they're going to buy? And you need to also identify where the traders perceive that there is no value. So the key is your perception, or trying to identify the perception of the traders and where they are going to either buy or they are going to sell. Okay? Now, the second thing that you want to do, and let me go back to this point, the way we, as I said, you're looking in foreign exchange the foreign exchange in particular is dealing with two sets of currency. It's like spread trading. It's what we call spread trading in futures. You're dealing with two instruments. And in those two instruments, this is what I would like you to see. If, for example, we are using an index, so let's say I'm using the British Pound Index, and there are indices which I shared with you before. This is the index for the British Pound. So this is a basket of the British Pound by itself, and this is how it moves. If now I'm deciding to trade against it, the Japanese yen, so if I insert here another symbol, and let's say the Japanese yen, and now you see two charts right in front of you, right there. And the upward chart is the British Pound, the basket of the British Pound, and below it here is the basket of the Japanese yen. These are futures. This is the cumulative of the Japanese yen against all the currencies, and this is the cumulative of the British Pound against all currencies. Now, if you are trading now the pound yen, these are the two pairs you are trading, which is the pound yen. It's basically the summary of those two trades. There is no indicator, so I'm just showing you the price. So if you look at this, if you decide, for example, you want to buy the pound, so basically you want to buy the pound right here, when the pound is beginning to move up, because this is the price where the market, the pound is beginning to go up, and here is where you want to sell the yen. And now at this stage, right there, that is the moment on this day. On this day, at this stage of the game, guys, this is where you want to be a buyer of the British pound. And when we are trying to trade the foreign exchange, and this is why we do this every Sunday, we try to identify the currency basket that is strong. And we want to buy it. So right here, this is the pound where it is going to go up. Right here, this is where the Japanese yen is coming down. And when you time your trade to buy it at this point, then you're going to gain this strength in the pound, and you're going to make money also on your short. So you're going to make money on this decline like this, and you will see you will be making money when you buy the pound. You'll be making money as the pound goes up, and your profit widens in the distance between the pound and the yen, because if you buy something that goes up, then you make money when it goes up, and when you sell something that is coming down, you make money when it sells and it shorts to the downside. So this way, your choice of the right pair to trade is key, is about 50% of your success, the choice of choosing the right thing, okay, at the right time. And this is what we do, as I said, every Sunday, and we posted, you can get it on the website anyway. And we decide, we come now to the second point. Let me go back to the second point, which I was discussing with you in a minute. When we say we are going to identify a preference, a point of preference, or a perception where people are going to buy or going to sell. So if you do your choice and decide you're going to buy let's say the pound dollar or the pound yen or whatever, one of the ones that you want to identify the perception. And what do I mean identifying the perception? You need to have a price point. You need to have what we call a price point.